guys, it's Sandy Missouri from Balloon Utopia and Market with Balloons. Today I'm going to show you a super quick, super cute little bunny headband. The kids were going crazy for it. And it's good at any time, not just Easter. Bunnies are, you know, a year-round thing. So to start off with, we have these really cute little Linky balloons. This is a 6-inch link that has a bunny print on it. I believe that the print was made by Corrine Sparkles Smith, and I think that there's a few different balloon distributors that carry them. So there you go. Or you could just use a 6-inch linking balloon and draw your own face on it. But since I don't like to draw, this is a perfect solution for me. Okay, so first of all, you want to inflate it, basically full. You don't need to measure it. You just don't want it like super round. You know, you kind of want it to be a little bit oval shaped. So there we go, super cute little bunny head. Okay, now we're gonna put that to the side, stay. And next we're going to make like a little flower, which is gonna be just like the one on my head kind of, is gonna be the base for the headband. So we're gonna give it a stretch. This is a 260 that has been fully inflated with a good burp. So you see it's very soft and squishy, but it is inflated all the way to the end. So we are going to take this and kind of squeeze the air down and tie it into a circle. And then we're going to come out over here and find where the other half is, where it ends, like that. And squeeze and twist so that now we've got our lips. La 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 la. Okay? And now what we want to do, this is the hard part here, is we want to try as much as possible to get 3 equal segments. So I kind of like bend it back and forth like this till I approximate what might be more or less 3 equal segments. And then you see I squeezed and I twisted. So now I have like 6 sausage links. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold one way and one the other way. So it's like a Z. And I see that this one's a little bit short. So now I'm going to squeak a little bit. I'm going to untwist this one and twist it up with a little bit, trying to get them all more or less equal, but now I did that one too much, and we could just keep going all day. All right, well, here we go. This will be good enough. In nature, it's not always symmetrical, and as long as we arrange it carefully, it'll be fine. So anyways, when we've got our 3 segments like this, we're going to squish them all together, grab them in the middle, and then twist like that. Okay? Just like so. So now we have this flower shape. Okay, and we're going to take our the bottom nozzle of our bunny head and just kind of wrap it in there, just like that. Okay, and now we're going to take our second purple 260 and give it a good stretch. And once again, we're going to tie it into a circle. And then we're going to find our center here, squeeze and twist. Only this time, we're just going to straight collapse it like that. Put your arm in one and twist it together. And then, of course, I always grab my nozzle and wrap it through to lock it. We want to lock it down, just like that. And then we're going to take the top of our Linky balloon here and wrap that around and through and around. And then we don't want to just leave it like this. We want to give it a little bit of shaping. So we're going to kind of come up to the top and very gently squeeze and kind of bend it. And then we'll do the same on this side as well. Squeeze and bend. Okay, so that kind of gives more the bunny ears. A nice shape like that. Okay, and now we're going to take a piece of a 260. It doesn't matter what color. And we're going to tie it to our headband. Just like so. Okay, and now what you want to do is you kind of want to have a little bit of slack on it. So what I'll do is I'll kind of like put my finger in it like this. So I'm kind of wrapping around my finger and then wrap it around my finger and the flower. So by putting my finger between them, although I might get a little bit stuck to myself, what I'm also doing is providing a little bit of slack. Because what I don't want is I don't want the headband to get stuck up in there, because then it won't sit nicely on your head or anybody else's head. The headband will be pulled up into the flower, and then it'll keep falling off of the person's head. So that's what it looks like on the bottom. And that's what it looks like on the top. And take off my headband. And like, how adorable is that? I mean, the kids went crazy for him. They loved him. So cute, right? So there you go. Super cute little bunny headband. Great for any occasion, any party. Does really well at Easter, but also is a huge hit the rest of the year as well. So here you go. I hope you like it. And if you do like this video, make sure you hit like. Make sure that you drop me a comment. Tell me what else you want to learn. Tell me what your favorite thing about it was. Whatever. Give me some love. And subscribe to my channel. Until next time, go forth and balloonify.